how to promote legendary marketer. Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I will show you exactly how to promote legendary marketer program or how to promote legendary marketer products. Right guys, but before telling this, I want to say that if you are beginner or looking for how to start your own affiliate marketing business, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook where you will be learning everything how to start your own affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So go and check out my own ebook, download the result link, right guys? So without any delay, let I show you how to promote legendary marketer products or legendary marketer program in a right way, guys. Right guys? So guys, here, like if you are an affiliate of legendary marketer, then you might be aware about that they give you funnel, ready-made funnel, right, to promote legendary marketer products. Let I show you. Like as you go inside your legendary marketer, then yes, can you see that custom funnels, right? So these are the funnels that you can download inside your ClickFunnels account. Yes, for that you need to have a ClickFunnels account, right? So here, as I'm already having my ClickFunnels account, you can see that, right? So here, what I will do, I will go and can you see that? Like for example, I want to promote this one, legendary bridge funnel, right? So actually, this funnel is for promoting book, and this funnel is promoting for 15-second free leads, right? So here I will pick one funnel, right, through which I want to promote one of the product of legendary marketer, right? So here what I will do, I will, like for example, I will let's assume I want to promote this one, right? It's a 15-day challenge, right? So what I will do, I will just grab this link, right, copy, and I will paste here, right, and then I will download this exact funnel inside my ClickFunnels account, right? So as you can see, right, add funnel. So here I'm gonna click on that funnel, right? Can you see that? Now this funnel is going to download inside my ClickFunnels account. You can see that, right, as it is taking time. Right, and let me just refresh this. Yeah, so we can see that funnel, how it looks. So yes guys, can you see that? Welcome and thank you, or we call it bridge page, right? Bridge page is something where we bridge the gap between the subscriber and the product that we are promoting, right? Where we talk about what this product is all about and what are the benefits of getting this product, right? So we tell each and everything through a video to our subscriber about the product that we are promoting, right? So as you can see, this is our first page, and this is how it looks, right? So consider free video for anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin, right? So this is a simple page, guys, right? So here, now this is the second page, we call it bridge page, right? So here, congratulations, watch the short video below, right? Yes, show me the video now, right? So can you see that? Replace the photo with your own. Yes, show me the video now, right? So this is the bridge page that they are offering, right? Here my name is so and so, and yep. So guys, this is the bridge page that they are giving us, right? Or you can see this is the funnel that they are giving us, guys. Can you see that how easy it is, right? We don't have to create everything right from scratch. We just only need to grab the funnel and download it inside our ClickFunnels account, right? So here, what I will do, right, I will go to first page, right, and here edit page, right? So here I will integrate it with my autoresponder account so that I can build my email list, so that I can collect email list, right? Now my autoresponder is converted, add to subscribe to form, right, and I'm gonna select my email, right, list. Let's assume this one, right? So now my autoresponder has been connected with my funnel, right? So what will happen, as soon as someone put his name and email address, then his name and email address will be stored into my autoresponder account, and from there I can send them emails having my affiliate offer, guys, right? So guys, now everything is okay, right? So now here I just want to see that everything is okay, right? So what's the next step? Submit order and submit. Yeah, that's good, right? So I'm just gonna save, right? Right, so now I'm just going to my bridge page, and where I will put my own video with my own picture, right? So I think that will be good. Okay, no, again. Thank you page, right? So here I'm just going to edit page, right? So here I will put my own video, right, where I will be talking about, hey, thank you so much for subscribing, and before you leave this page I have something for you. So here overall idea is that I will be talking about the product that I'm promoting, guys, right? So here I will bridge the gap between the subscriber and the offer that I'm promoting, and I will talk everything about that, why this product is gonna help, right, and what are the benefits of having this product, right? So I will tell everything about this very product, and yes, here I can also tell about my story, that how this product helped me to get the results, right? So that is very, very important on your bridge page, to come up with your own video, guys, right? So I will just show you the example. Actually I have already recorded one of the video, right, and this is the link. I'm just gonna copy, right? By the way, you can create a video and you can upload it to your YouTube, right, and from there you can grab the link and you can paste here, right? So like for example, as in my case, I have created my video and uploaded to Vimeo, right, and from there you can see that I'll show you, right, gear button, right, setting, and now here I'm just gonna pick Vimeo, and now here I'm gonna put the link of my video, right, Vimeo, right? So I'm just gonna enter, right? By the way, like if you have your video on YouTube, then yes, you can go and select YouTube and put your YouTube URL here and then enter, right? So as in my case it is Vimeo, so I have put my link, right, and then save, right? I'm just showing you the example, guys, right? So how to promote your. Now here if I want to delete, then yes I can delete, and if I want to put my picture, then yes I can also put my picture here, guys, right? Right, and let me pick my picture. Yeah, I think this will be okay, right? So this is my, no, not this one, I'll go this one, right, and add, right? So yes, that's it. And now here I'm just gonna put my name, Pankaj Singh. My name is Pankaj Singh, and I'm really excited you made it to this page, so and so. And now that's it, guys, right? Everything's okay. Now here, guys, can you see that? Yes. So here I will put my affiliate link, guys. Can you see that? Gear settings, and now here set action, and now here I will put my own affiliate link of the product that I'm promoting. So here I'm gonna come here and I will select, get my affiliate link to business challenge. Yes, so business challenge, right, affiliate link, and this is my affiliate link. So copy, and now can you see that? Go to website URL. So put your affiliate link, enter, and yep, we can open in new window, right? That's okay. Now same thing for here, delete this one and put your affiliate link, open a new window, right? And affiliate link, enter, open new window. Now everything's okay, guys. Our funnel almost is okay. Right now let's see the preview, how it looks. Yeah, that's great, guys, right? Can you see that? Yeah, that's great. So guys, now you can see our funnel is almost ready. So now if someone go and click on that link and if go and buy, or you can say join this 15-day challenge, I will be making commission, guys, right? So guys, now you know the, you can say, right way to promote your legendary marketer program or legendary marketer products, right? So this is the right way, guys. Always promote it through a funnel, right? 2 steps funnel, right? And you promote it, you promote your product on your bridge page, right? So through your bridge page you build a relationship, guys, right? So now here, guys, finally it is okay. Yes, my funnel is completed. So what I will do, I will grab my link. So guys, this is my final link that I need to promote. Can you see that? This is my final link, copy, right? So yes, I can promote that link through my blog or through my Facebook profile, right? So can you see that? If someone put his name and email address, then that very person will go to our next page, that is our bridge page, or you can say thank you page. And on that thank you page we have our video, our picture, so that we can build a relationship, right? And yes, if someone clicks and decide to join this 15-day challenge, we will be making commission, guys, right? So guys, this is the right way to promote your legendary marketer program or to promote your legendary marketer products, guys, right? So yeah, like for example, I want to promote this through Facebook, right? So what I will do, I will go on Facebook. So this is my profile, right? So what I will do, I will go to my profile, put a picture of the product that I am promoting, right? By going through featured section, right? Can you see that? Featured. So here I can put the picture, right? Yeah, can you see that? So no, here edit featured. Yeah. So if I have put picture of the product, then I can upload, right? And then it will be showing here. And then what I will do, I will go and save it, right? So I don't want to save because I have already done that, right? So after putting that picture of the product that I'm promoting, like as in our case, it is 15-day challenge. So I can put here, and then what I will do, can you see that? Edit details. So I can go here, and then my next step will be go and find website, right? And now here, can you see that? Edit. Now I will come again here, guys, and can you see that? Edit, then again, right? And here add another website. So here I will put the funnel link that we have created, right? So here save changes. Now it must be showing on our bio section. So let's see. Yeah, yes, yeah. Can you see that? And if someone, like if I talk about through my post, hey, like whatever product that I'm promoting, like 15-day challenge, right? So here in one of the posts I will talk, hey, this is the product, and this product, how this product gonna help you, right? What are the benefits, right? And yes, at the, you can say, end of the, you can say, post, I can say that, hey, link is in bio to know more about or to buy that very product. So if someone go and click on that link, right, and can you see that? That very person will go to our funnel, and put, as soon as that very person submit his name and email address, and click the button submit, and on the next page he watch our video, right, on this page. And if he or she decides to join this 15-day challenge, we will be making commission, guys. Right, guys? So guys, this is the right way to promote your legendary marketer program or legendary marketer products, guys. Right? So yes, or you can do a Facebook live, and in that Facebook live you can talk about the product that you are promoting, and yes, you can tell them, hey, if you want to know more, or if you want to buy or join this day challenge, go to my bio, there is a link, and go and join. So that's it, guys. Right, guys? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, if there is anything that I can help in your business, please do let me know. I will personally help you, right? And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Down below there is a red button, as well as there is a bell button, so that you can get a notification about my upcoming challenge, upcoming training. So if you want to know more about how to start your own affiliate marketing business step by step, then go and join my, you can say, subscribe to my channel, right? So down below there is a button, right, guys? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.